Alright, YouTube, this is my first video. Want to show y'all I would say my latest purchase. Nike Air foamposite ones. Like them a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's a sexy shoe. Always gotta have a pair. You know what I'm saying? Good little shoe. Gotta wear them. Gotta love them. Wear them every time. Got the little red sole. Gotta love it. Got the foamposite material. Really, like, I would say soft. Like wearing them. Nothing really wrong with them. First video about 5 something in the morning. I don't know why I'm doing this. Don't feel like going to school. Not really wrong with them. Got both pairs. Not really to hate about them. See it from the side. You know what I'm saying? Good shoe. Paid $200 something for them retail. Tax in DC, or well, I guess that was Maryland. It's like 6%, $212. They alright shoes. Love them a lot. Real hot. Go with the uniform. Got the inside sock. Weird material. Feels like it's like recycled or something. Got the little Nike thing on the inside, the little numbers. Love the shoe a lot. Got your Penny Hardaway on the back. Penny Hardaway emblem. Penny Hardaway emblem on the bottom. Swoosh on the side. Penny Hardaway. Unlike the pros, it will say Air. Good shoe. I like to wear them. I'll recommend them to everybody. I guess that's carbon fiber on the side. Some nice little material. No, that's about it.